Brain Quiz. You must answer 50 general culture questions. Are you ready? Let's go! What is the longest river in the world? Who wrote El Quijote? Very well! In what year did World War I start? What is the capital of Australia? Which country is shaped like a boot? Who painted the Mona Lisa? You're unstoppable! What is the most abundant metal in the Earth's crust? Who discovered America? What is the largest ocean in the world? Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? Which is the largest country in the world by area? You're doing great! In what year did World War II end? What is the heaviest metal found on Earth? Who wrote 100 Years of Solitude? Which is the largest planet in the solar system? Who was the first human being to orbit the Earth? Which country has the largest population in the world? Who was the first president of the United States? Very well! What is the longest river in Europe? Who was the first man to walk on the moon? In which continent is the Sahara Desert located? What is the tallest mountain in the world? What is the chemical symbol for magnesium? In what year was the city of Rome founded? What is the capital of Canada? Which country has the highest number of islands in the world? Who was the first Roman emperor? What is the main chemical compound in the air? You're on fire! Who painted the Starry Night? In what year was the U.S. Declaration of Independence signed? What is the largest animal in the world? Who wrote Hamlet? What is the longest river in Africa? In which country is the Great Barrier Reef located? Who painted Guernica? You're unstoppable! What is the official currency of Japan? What continent is Mount Kilimanjaro located on? What is the capital of France? Who was the first president of the People's Republic of China? What is the most populated country in Latin America? wrote 1984? What is the second most abundant metal in the Earth's crust? In what year did man first land on the moon? What is the smallest country in the world? Who was the first president of the Republic of Cuba? In what year did the Russian Revolution occur? You're on fire! Who was the first president of Russia? What is the most populated city in the world? What is the capital of Norway? Who wrote the Odyssey?